Step 1. Begin by attaching the lid securely to a standard 5-gallon bucket. Step 2. Connect the two fins by aligning them carefully, ensuring that each end forms a cross shape when pushed together. Step 3. This step is crucial. Firmly place the nubs onto the ends of each cross. Inspect each end closely to ensure that each nub is fully pressed on. If they are not, the cog will not spin freely. Step 4. Place the assembled cog into the two grooves located on the lid and perform a test spin. If the cog doesn't spin freely, ensure that each nub is securely and correctly pressed on. Step 5. Spread peanut butter on the bottom of the hood. Step 6. Attach the hood by inserting the 6 nubs to the corresponding 6 holes on the lid. Once one side is in, bend over the hood and insert the other 6 nubs into their respective holes. Make sure each end is securely placed in its hole. Step 7. Insert the end caps on each side. Place each of the tabs into the holes on the lid, and then push each end cap into the dome to lock it in place. Step 8. Assemble your ramp by aligning the arrows and pushing them together to create a solid piece. Step 9. Finally, secure the ramp by inserting the ramp's 2 prongs into the designated slot. Please contact us if you have any product issues, and we will do our best to make things right.